Hi everyone! So we are in Adianmi sa farm here in Tapga Association here in Barangay Manlawan, Tabanguliti guys, mga cabo drivers. So if you see that the step step is going to the layering building guys, mga cabo drivers, going down there. So go to the layering building guys. We have two buildings na may mga layering build check-in lugar guys. So mga to ako karon. There. Then please subscribe me and click the button for the notification for